Hello my dear friends, welcome to my blog. Thank you everybody who subscribed to my channel and follow my video. As you can see from the first my video, I became a blogger in 2020, 3 years ago. Before 2020 I was a private guide. I provide tour for tourists in Kiev. Actually I was happy, I had many customers, I met people over the world. But in the beginning of 2020, all the world was affected by coronavirus. So I understand that that years people will not be traveled. And I'm not going to have tourists. And during the crisis, there are born new ideas. I understand that I need to do something that helped me to develop my career in future. And for a long time I had this idea to have my own blog, to speak in front of camera. I was impressed by people who already had blog. I follow many bloggers in that time. I was just admired by people who easily can talk in front of camera during the live video. It was the highest level for me. In order to understand how I can avoid my fear, how I can be successful in public speaking, I opened YouTube and found their videos. And in these videos bloggers give some recommendation, like to be quiet, to take a big breath before talking, to calm down, to make some exercises before making video, look straight in the camera. So on March 2020 I did my first video and I tried to tell about my life during the coronavirus. Hello dear friends, it's nice to meet you at least online. I really miss my tour, but today is not a right time for the tour. So we mostly stay at home, most people of my town. And I realized that it was so difficult. It's so difficult was watching you in front of the camera. Actually for me it was really difficult to watch my video, because probably I had a better opinion about my speech, but on the camera I have seen that I do mistake, I have no eyes contact with my audience and so on. At least after a long searching I found a blogger who I'm really grateful to. He told that fear of camera is psychological problem. We often see ourselves different how other people see us or how we look in real. So it's need a time for used to yourself. That is why for many people difficult to watch their own photos or videos. He told, in order to use to yourself, you need to make a short video every day during 1 month. And in such way you use to yourself. Any video, you can tell any information, you can clean this video and don't show to other people. Just try to make this video and you will just use to yourself. I was impressed by such information and I called my friend. I have very good friend. Actually, I have many good friends. And I told her that I would like to start my blog. She told, Ira, I would like also to start a blog and I would like also to make video, but I am afraid that my video will be not so good. So I told Tanya, I have an idea. Let's making video during 1 month, exchange by this video. In such way we will be control each other, so nobody give up. and make some comments, but not negative, just positive. Probably give some recommend. And I would like to tell that this month during epidemic of coronavirus was one of the best in my life. Mostly we spent it in the village, and once in a day when my son sleep, I just sit down near our house on the grass, make some picnic, drink some coffee, and I was talking in front of camera about everything and sent to my friend. Hello guys, hello to everybody. Recently I lived 200 kilometers from Kiev. Some days in the village like this. You can see we have greens here, flowers. I think after 1 week I started to use to myself. I started to see a positive moment in my video, and Tanya was so pleasant because she sent so nice and positive feedback about my video. Of course, I also bought her video. Hi, hello to everybody. This is Irina, guide. How are you today? Today my friend from Kiev, Tatiana, visits me, my beautiful town, and we would like to show to you it. Tanya, do you like our
Hello.
town, Batutino?
Vatutin, wonderful town.
And I told Tanya, this is great, let's going ahead. In the second part of the month, I started to do like long video about our life in the village. So in that time I did video about my garden. You can see it's on my channel, about the well, about how we go for the water to the well. And it was crazy time because one video I did just for 1 day. I had just 1 day for shooting video, for editing it, and to send to my friends. I think at the end of the summer I decided to make a live video for my professional Facebook page Amazing Ukraine, and I started to make live video that was so challenging for me, because this video you cannot edit, you cannot cut, you just speak in front of the camera and people see you in the live moment. At that time was challenging for me. I have seen that day by day I lost my follower. More and more people started to unsubscribe from my channel, but I think in the middle of autumn I have seen that my channel grew up again. New people started to subscribe to my channel, so it inspired me and I continue. During 1 year I did series of video about Ukrainian history from the ancient time, from Pithecanthrope and Homo sapiens to the nowadays. This video helped me to deepen my knowledge of history and of course develop my English as well. I would like to tell to everybody who would like to start their own blog but afraid to do it. Just take a time and do it step by step, from day to day, and you surely will see the result. Many people are afraid to what other people will think about them. Of course, I was afraid also to do some mistake, and till now I have people who pointed to my mistake and tell Ira, you was wrong there and there. And in the next video I will tell you how to deal with your mistake and how to be better. So continue to watching my video and subscribe to my channel if you would like to develop yourself and develop your public presentation. Thank you for watching. See you next week.